In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Western Union to Nepal. To do this, go and open up the Western Union app or website and sign into your account and head over to the Send Money section. From there, just gonna search for Nepal and select it and then click Continue. Then from here, choose how much you would like to send and choose how you want to pay. Now for the delivery, you can set it to any of these options. For example, for the pay by, I'll use my bank account, and for delivery by, I'll do cash pickup and then click save. Then click continue. And then from there, you'll need to start to add your recipient. So you can click add new or choose someone you've already sent to before. And then if you selected that you want to pay by bank, you will need to go and select which bank you use. And you also need to choose how the delivery will be done. So in this case, where it will be done, since I selected cash pickup. But from here, I can then go and pay for it. And once I pay for the transfer, the money will be on its way to Nepal. So that's how to transfer money from Western Union to Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.